Good evening and welcome to another F30 BMW 318i video, and in this video I'm going to be replacing a headlight bulb. So the first thing I need to do is to confirm the problem. I just get her unlocked. And then get started up. Make sure she's in neutral. And yes, we have confirmed the problem. I did replace that side, but I didn't bother to do a video, so I thought this time round, the other side's gone. It's a H1 bulb, so I'll show you how it's fitted. And on these cars, the headlight is right up against the wheel arch liner, so you can't do it the normal way. But fortunately, BMW have handily provided a little hatch. If you can see it there. There we go there. Just pop the hatch off and then you can change the bulb, and it's as simple as that. So there's two ways of getting access: either take the wheel off or put the steering on full lock. Now on the left, you do it to the left and turn it to the right on the right. So let's see if we can position this light and see if you can get this. Just a bit hard doing. I'm holding the camera by hand, but I see if I can move it to a better place. Alright, I don't know how well you're going to see that, but there's a couple of clips at the top of this hatch, if I can get them out. And there we go, I managed to get the hatch off. So there's a cover, now you can see it. Just turn it a little bit anti-clockwise and off it comes, and then you can get to the bulb. These are H1s now. The technique with this is to just gently wiggle it, and out it comes. God, that was easier than the other side, but that's always the case. So just pull that bulb off, and it's not a H1, it's a H7. Got a replacement to hand, so you need to be careful not to touch the bulb. And there's a replacement bulb, and you have that prong facing upwards. So what I'll do is I'll just plug it in. It's a bit hard to get to. I should just push in. Got it in right. I'll grab my light and have a look. See which way this plug is. Yeah, that's where it needs to go. Sorry about the terrible lighting. push it in. That's when you've got a bit of light. So you've got the table lighting. Right, now before I reinstate this bulb, I'm going to test it to make sure it's working. So I'll just fire it up. That's definitely working. Reinstate this bulb. I just make sure I get this the right way around. Have the prong at the top. Feed it through. It's literally a push fit. Now can button everything back up. There we go, that's that on. And just put the hatch back on. I heard that click, that's engaged. So that is job done. I'll make sure that it's still working, and then we can finish off. So that's what I call a confirmed fix. The simple job, just a bit awkward, but not that hard. It's got a fully working headlights again. So that's it for this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, then you get notified when one of the videos comes out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.